Hi, good morning, and this is the market update for 10th of April. Yesterday we couldn't post the daily update because due to some personal reasons. We can catch up on the same. Let's quickly look upon what's happening in Nifty. Nifty today made a all-time high again slightly, and it did not sustain at the top, but still it made a good close overall. If you look at it, but one most important thing in Nifty, what we noticed is Nifty is currently trading in a channel pattern, and in the channel pattern, I think Nifty it's currently at the top of the channel. Basically, it's not it haven't closed above the channel. That's only worry part which I am looking out for. So once because if you see this particular pattern, Nifty exactly trades at the top of the pattern, top of the channel basically. So still there is no close on the upper side. So because if you see past 2 days, Nifty has tried to go above, but it's still trading below the pattern. And also last night the US CPI inflation news have come down, and it is inflation data is slightly higher than what is been expected. So the US market starts to bleed. Due to that, we might see a negative opening in the market on 12th, which is Friday tomorrow. So which will again pull down the Nifty from the channel slightly. Maybe it can open like close to minus 120 or 130 points, which will again bring the Nifty close to these areas, basically about around 22,600 or 550, those ranges. And we need to see whether Nifty can pull it back above again this particular channel. If a Nifty close above this particular channel, and then I think our targets are way much more bigger. Actually, if you notice, let's quickly see what is the price range of this channel. So which means I think this price range is close to 987 points, right? So what will happen is, if Nifty closes above this particular channel on any day or a week probably, because on this Friday, I think this is going to be a weekly close. And if Nifty makes a close above this particular channel on this weekly close, we might see a very good breakout in Nifty, and that will open up the close to 800 to 900 points on the upside, which means like from 22 120, I think we will be reaching around 23,200 this time. If that is the, I think that's the target which we are currently looking out for. That is the channel's range, basically. That's how we plotted it, and which I think which you probably might be knowing it, but still. So we need a close above this particular blue line, so that will open that upside targets towards 23 100 or 23 200, another 400 500 points movement from here on actually. So quickly look out Bank Nifty as well. Yesterday Bank Nifty gave a good close again. So what is happening is, Bank Nifty day before yesterday there were quite a few dodges and also a spinning top came up, but still Bank Nifty managed to close above the previous tops over here, right? So if you put a quick horizontal line, so we it's a clear breakout in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, it's pushing the market hard on the upside, so no worries. So tomorrow a minus 150 points in Nifty or 120 points in Nifty, which will bring close to 200 to 250 points minus in Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty might retest this 48,600 levels again and then jump back. So retest and again jump back is always a good thing in the market. So any positions we can, I think fresh entry we can do it around 48,600, then market might jump back and go back again. So we need to watch out tomorrow how the market plays out tomorrow. On the weekly chart, I think last week I clearly told that Bank Nifty clearly gave a close above the particular line, very good close. So this pattern continues now, the uptrend moment continues. Hopefully tomorrow Bank Nifty closes above this particular blue line, and which will give a perfect confirmation on the upside breakout. Let's quickly see. I think the IDFC First Bank, which I suggested last week for as a buying opportunity, because we noticed a good trend line breakout in IDFC First Bank. so which actually came up. If you notice, yeah, so this is a breakout point which we are discussing about. So last week, I think it's a clear breakout now. So 84.7. Tomorrow we might see a slight dip and then jump up towards the higher targets. Like first target would be like 80, 89, and then we are going towards 92 as well. So that is one. And apart from it, we need to see gold, because what happened overnight is, since US inflation data, the CPI data, which came slightly higher than what has been expected, it has become more hot now. So that is the issue. Due to that, US dollars is getting its trends back, because US dollar has been it's a laggard for quite a few days now, and now US dollar is gaining the momentum back, so which will push the gold down actually. So that is what it's all about, because gold is running on the upside due to the inflation cool down as well as the rate cut hopes. Now what will happen is, this will bring now, since the inflation data came out higher than expected, the hopes of rate cut will postpone. So due to that, gold will start to come down. It might looks on the upside, but we are seeing a bearish engulfing in the daily chart in gold. So gold, until gold crosses 2365, it's not going to be bullish, it's going to be on the downside. So where we can buy the gold again is, I think we can quickly do a fib here and then put, like I told earlier, where gold might come close to 2280 or 2250 or 55. I think this is the level which you can watch out. 2250 or 2285 probably. I think we can quickly draw lines over here. So yeah, so this is what the reversal area is for gold. So once gold touches 2283 or 2257 or 55 ranges, I think you can buy gold back, and gold will jump back again from these levels. And we need to see, because if the inflation it's still peaking up higher every month, then there is an issue. US market is already under pressure, we saw it yesterday, and this will bring down gold eventually. So this is about gold. Let's look at what's happening in silver is pretty much the same story like gold. Now we are seeing a big spinning top sort of a pattern, so we need to see how the follow-up is happening. If not, it's a similar thing like gold. We need to see in fib what is the levels. Silver will come down, so fib silver might come down close to $27 or $26.5. There we can do a buying again for a quick bucks actually. So apart from, we'll see some big names in our Indian market. So we have Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries still trading under the trend line basically. So if you notice, so this is the trend line which we are talking about. So it's clearly trading in the trend line area, so it's not moving above this particular area. So I clearly told on the other day that if Reliance if Reliance closes above this particular range, like 2988 is a number to look out for. So once the close is done above this particular level, I think Reliance can give a good breakout. Or Reliance is currently trading in the triangle pattern basically. So we need to take a trade only if a share moves above this, give a close above, either on the upside above this triangle or below this triangle basically. So if until then, I would say no trade in Reliance. Don't take a trade and get into a decay and wait for a trade. Once this happens, then take a trade. All right, so let's quickly see HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank still haven't given a breakout above 1557, so it's still trading in the range. It might come down slightly lower and then pick up a pace and go back again. So we need to wait for HDFC Bank as well. Let's quickly see PSU Bank Index, because PSU Bank Index yesterday gave a good up move actually. So let's wait for, so what is happening in PSU Bank Index is it's clearly a cup and a handle formation is happening. So any close above this particular horizontal, so any close above this particular these two areas, right? So any close above this particular two, like 7323 or 7325, we'll assume, right? So any close above these particular two areas, it's a clear cup and handle breakout, and probably a fresh breakout will happen, and we might get to 7700 or 7800 from here on. So that is one. So PSU Bank Index looks so good. Hopefully markets overall macro environment don't spoil it. So if that happens, I think none of the technicals is going to work, right? So apart from it, so we have, let's see, ICICI Bank in one day has given a spinning top. So we need to watch whether the reversal is happening on the downside, or if it closes above 1120. So I think we will take a fresh trade in ICICI Bank. Until then, there is no trade, or if you want to take a put, just try one lot of put, and if it goes below the spinning tops low, I think you can add further more puts and carry forward, right? That is one. I think pretty much it. I have given the overall what is happening on in the market and all those. Just trade cautious, because until Nifty crosses 22,800, I'm not convinced still with the move. So we need to close above this channel for any fresh breakout. So if that happens, I think all the stocks in your portfolio will start to run. And also this is earnings, I mean the quarterly results season. So probably every results will be taken account of, and all the Nifty 50 stocks results has to come out well for the Nifty to break out higher. And also elections is around the corner, so expect some volatility as well. So have a good day off, and come back with a fresh mind tomorrow. And tomorrow is a very volatile day, looks like. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Thank you.